and caribou. Thank you for the view. Your support is appreciated. If you don't know and you're new to the channel, my name is Tonielle Deja Kleiber, but everyone calls me Tony. I moved from the eastern coast of America to Kenya 4 months ago to manage a nonprofit I started last year, SASA Sisters Inc. Now I am a tourpreneur, sharing my amazing experiences as an African American living and working in Kenya, the base of Kenya. On Jamhuri Day, I visited the Nairobi Safari Walk, which is located on Lanata Road, next to the main entrance to the Nairobi National Park in the heart of the city of Nairobi, offering a unique setting for visitors to see Kenya's fauna and flora in its stimulated environments, even though it's on a smaller scale than the larger national parks and game reserves. With its raised wooden boardwalks allowing for uninterrupted views of the animals, allowing visitors to discover what they can expect to see across the country. The Kenya Wildlife Service's website boasts of the rich animal life one can sample during the walk, which include the rare bongo, white rhino, and albino zebras, as well as big cats, antelopes, and primates. Let's not forget the 150 species of local trees. Let's see what we'll discover today on my visit. Today, Boniface Odiambo Abongo is my escort to the Nairobi Safari Walk, which the Kenya Wildlife Safari claims to be the closest you get to the wild. We traveled to the park via public transportation, aka Kenyan Matatu, from South B. It wasn't a long ride, about 40 minutes and 2 bus transfers. We started by boarding the 33C Matatu heading to Nairobi City Center and alighted at Nyayo. From here, we walked 3 minutes to Nyayo Stadium. At Nyayo Stadium, we boarded the 126 Matatu that took us to Nairobi National Park Animal Orphanage. From here, we walked about 4 minutes to the gates of Nairobi Safari Walk. Like most game parks in Kenya, Nairobi Safari Walk has 2 different prices for visitors. Adult citizens and residents pay 200 Kenyan shillings, which is about $2, while children pay 100 shillings. As for non-residents, the fee is in dollars only. Adults paying $20, while children pay $10. Being black in Kenya is almost always a blessing. Let's see if that blessing works out today. Boniface purchased our tickets, and guess what? I was unable to get in the park at the resident citizen price, so I paid a little over $20 for me to enter the park. The park's website boasts of having 3 major ecosystems: wetlands, Savannah, and forestry, on which we intend to visit during our trip. With a variety of mammals, reptiles, insects, and birds, which you can see from the safe distances of the raised boardwalks. The first ecosystem you encounter after entering the park is the wetlands, which are covered in water lily and fringed with papyrus. This is the home of the grazing hippos and lazy crocodile, which we did get the chance to see. The next environment is the savanna. This ecosystem is home to antelopes, giraffes, hyenas, rhinos, leopards, cheetahs, and lions. This part of the biome also gives visitors a chance to see an albino zebra and the rare white rhino. Signboards along the way provide useful information on the species of plants and animals found in the different enclosures, while various viewpoints allow close-up looks of the residents of the park going about their daily lives. The last of the nature trails is through the forest park of the park. This habitat showcases some of Kenya's indigenous plants, with signposts along the trail describing their traditional uses. Benches along the trail provide resting places for visitors wishing to take a moment to enjoy the sights and sound of the forest. Before leaving the park, we wanted to head over to the 3-Star Rangers restaurant, which is inside the park, for a quick lunch, but it was closed. So instead, we had lunch at my favorite franchise in Kenya, Art Cafe. I ordered a Niçoise salad, while Boniface ordered barbecue chicken wings and french fries. I won't even lie, the food there is always good. I would suggest the Nairobi Safari Walk if you are in Nairobi, like to walk, and love scenery. But don't set your expectations too high. You won't see as many animals as you would in the big game parks. It's a half-day trip, but since it's in the city center and very inexpensive, it won't be one of the excursions on SASA Travels and Tours. Well, thank you for joining me as I explored the Nairobi Safari Walk. I hope you enjoy. But before I go, don't forget to click the subscribe button to be notified when new videos from our tours or my experiences are uploaded. Also, I can't continue to make these videos without your support, so become a Patreon member. Patreon members help us launch new tours and get to watch videos before they premiere on YouTube. Click on the Patreon link in the bottom of the About Us section on this channel, or just click the link in the banner. Are you in Nairobi or plan to be in the Nairobi area? Then come spend the day or evening with me on one of the dusty South floors. Check the website to get a full description on what to expect. The link is in the bottom of the About Us section on this channel, or just click the link in the banner.